The Boltune BT-BH023. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the BT-BH023 earbuds by Boltune. These feature active noise cancellation and come in at just $60. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, USB-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. The earbuds feature 6 hours of listening time, 30 hours with the case, 10mm drivers, Bluetooth 5.0, AAC, SBC codec, and CVC 8.0 for noise reduction, touch controls, USB-C for charging, active noise cancellation, and it's IPX8 waterproof. The case is compact and has a capsule design. It's plastic all around with a matte finish, and the branding is on the top of the lid. On the front of the case, you will find the charge status LEDs, and on the back is the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and feels tight when opening and closing. Earbuds are held into place by magnets and are easy to grip and remove from the case. The earbuds have a short stem design. It reminds me of the Apple AirPods Pro. On the lower part of the stem, you have the ear indicators, and on the outer face, you have the logo along with the touch control surface. Each of the earbuds have microphones, touch control, LED, and charging contacts. Here they are side by side. And now next to the Apple AirPods Pro. Navigating playback and calls is just a few taps, and turning on the ANC feature is a long press on the left earbud. They also have volume controls. The case comes in at 2.7 by 1.2 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 29 grams, and the earbuds come in at 13 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Fireplace, do you know how? Piles of paper, my desk is out. Care for the world now. Rest with me. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip, just wet. Tell her run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell her run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down that check. No drip, just wet. Tell her run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell her run it.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Boltune BH023 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone was loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency, and range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Boltune BH023. I found them to be comfortable, easy to put on, and it just seats well in the ears. It created a tight seal. They felt secure and it doesn't add additional pressure in the ear canals when navigating. Build-in quality is good. Case has a simple compact design and it feels solid. The earbuds are compact and also feel durable. It has a slim profile, very similar to the Apple AirPods Pro in shape and size. The touch controls can be a bit too responsive, and moving your fingers to adjust the earbuds can trigger some of the functions. Battery life is respectable, coming in at 6 hours and 30 total with the case. I like the IPX8 waterproof rating, and it would have been nice to see wireless charging. The active noise cancellation feature worked as advertised. Toggling it on and off is quick and you will hear a beep. It does block out the ambient sounds and you can definitely tell the difference as you switch it back and forth. Now when it comes to sound, the bass is present. It's punchy and it has that airy sound to it. Not too overwhelming, but just enough. What stands out is the mids and highs. I feel that they are dialed up a notch. Vocals and instruments definitely stand out. It's forward but not too bright, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound sample. Overall, I feel that there is good value with these. As I mentioned earlier, it does remind me of the Apple AirPods Pro, and these are definitely a good alternative for a fraction of the price. The sound in my opinion is better. So that is my review of the Boltune BT-BH023 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.